Guys, what is up? Where's good piston back again with another video reaction, a brand new player reaction on man like Samuele Ricci. Seeing that this guy's very underrated for Torino, so why not give him his props, bro? And apparently he's been likened to Pirlo. Listen, Italian Pirlo midfield. Hey, listen, we need a Pirlo Regen, fam. I'm here for it, guys. So let's check out this guy, right? In 3, 2, 1. Vámonos. So short video. Shout out to my guy 360 Ediciones for always making these videos, man. But yeah, it said Pirlo. So listen, when you mention Big P, when you mention Big AP21, bro, come on, man. You got me there, mate. Samuele Ricci. Let's see what it's made of. Strength. Get out of here. Strength. Get out of here. Tackle. Good tackle. Ole. Strength. 3 to the 4. Hey. Oh my. Show the whiskey. Hey. You're gonna get tipsy. Nice. Love it. Love it. Get out of here. He's strong, isn't he? He's got some speed to him too, man. Ole. And he's got the silk too. Okay. Ooh. Mate. Yeah. Tackle. Brilliant. Oh. The ball moved in the air there. Love it. Strength, bro. He's strong, dude. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, Samuele Ricci, mate. Listen. I know these are still clips, guys, right? But, like, it's the little... Ooh, oh, save summer. I know it's clips, right? But it's just the attributes that is displaying right now, bro. Like, the strength, mate. He's strong, bruv. Get out of here. You ain't going nowhere. Finish. Get out of here, Lautaro Martinez. Get out of here, mate. Look up, look up. He don't play like Pirlo. He does not play like Pirlo, bro. Strength. Get out of here, bro. Interception. Was already moving. We was already moving. Hey, clocked him. Nice. Gonna get tipsy. Ole, easy. Brilliant. Brilliant. But guys, that's been the video. Shout out to man like Samuele Ricci, mate. Like, from what I was reading yesterday, it said the players like Perlo. No, dude. This guy is physically strong. Like the amount of people that he was putting on the floor with just like shoulder barge is absolutely insane, right? Like the physical side is there, the aggressive side is there, right? And then he can flip the switch and be like a nice like techie player, knocking the ball past like the opponents like around them, pinging it, dude, tight dribbling, mate. Yeah. Okay, I see what Torino are cooking. I see what Torino are cooking right now with this guy, bro. Like, I don't know like how I've not even heard of this dude yet, but let's see what the guys are saying right now. Liverpool want him and Milan want him. It looks like Liverpool and AC Milan want him. Inter Milan want him as well. Man City want him, dude. Yeah, bro. Yeah, somebody says watched him. I watched him because I hear the rumor Liverpool make him as a target. I think he could be an option for grab a backup. Perfect fit for Liverpool. He's a good midfielder, bro. From the attributes I've been seeing there, crazy, absolutely crazy, mate. So yeah. I'm down for it, bro. United, dive in, bro. Stealing from the Scousers. Get it, bro. Guys, thoughts, comments, concerns, please comment down below. As usual, if I like you, support your boy. Actually, no video requests, recommendations of players that I do not know about, please comment down below. And yeah, like, keep supporting your boy. Don't forget to subscribe. I've been Preston doing the reaction on man like Samuele Ricci, and I'm signing out. Keep it real. Peace.